It's easy to turn an ordinary wall into a magnet board with Rust-Oleum's Magnetic Primer. You can create a unique space to post notes, hang a photo collage, showcase your favorite magnets, and more. The options are endless. To ensure the best results with our Magnetic Primer, there are a few important tips to remember. The first is to stir the primer thoroughly before and during the application. Scrape your stir stick along the bottom of the can to loosen any pigment that is settled and fold it back into the formula, mixing well to make sure it's evenly distributed. Continue to stir often throughout the time you're painting. The more uniform the application of your primer, the stronger the magnetic attraction will be. There are a couple of things that will help ensure the smoothest results. First, use a dense foam roller that will distribute the primer evenly. And be sure to apply the primer with a steady, consistent up and down motion. We recommend that you apply at least 3 coats of magnetic primer because each coat will increase the magnetism of the surface. Allow 30 minutes of dry time between each layer. To further maximize the magnetic power of your surface, use 1 entire quart of product for every 16 square foot area. Once your magnetic base has dried for at least 4 hours, you can add a latex-based top coat in any color you like. However, we recommend you don't add more than 2 coats over the primer. If the top coat is too thick, it may reduce the primer's magnetic properties. While almost any magnet can be used on our magnetic primer, rare earth magnets provide the strongest grip. These magnets are sold at many different retailers and come in a variety of sizes and styles. Now that you know our insider secrets, you'll be able to get the best possible performance from your custom magnetic surface. You can expect a surface that works as well as it looks. Enjoy! For additional information and how-to videos on other Rust-Oleum products, visit rustoleum.com.